Hello everyone. Today we will learn GK. GK of class 7th. Okay. And chapter 3rd. Chapter 3rd. Today we will learn GK chapter 3rd. Okay guys. So here we are discussing about GK class 7th, that is chapter 3rd, banking services. Banking services. Okay guys, so here banks and banking services are an important aspect of our life. In this chapter, all the readers are told that banks and banking systems roles the important role in human lives nowadays. They keep our money safe. If banking system or banking services roles important in our life, so the question comes in our mind, how they keep our money safe means bank and banking system keeps our money safe. Also offer various money related services that help us live better lives. So let us improve our knowledge about banking and learn some new terminologies associated with it. So here we should know if bank and banking system takes important role in our life means in humans life. So we should know how this types of question comes in our mind. Bank and banking system roles an important role in our life because bank saves our money. We can make our money safe. In sometimes we can take loan for money. Suppose where we want to do something and there is a compulsory need for something and we have no money and we are requesting for someone to provide me money. He has say will not provide you money. At that time you should take the help of bank and banking system. So here we can know that deposit money, interest, ATM, bank account, saving, check, budget, account balance, online banking, withdrawal. These types are the things which we should know. Suppose in modern time nowadays ATM is working in a better way and we should have knowledge about ATM. Just we should know about the currency, which currency is right and which currency is wrong. Suppose an electronic telecommunication device, ATM stands for automated teller machine. Suppose someone asks a short form of ATM. The short form of ATM is full form of ATM is stands automated teller machine. Automated teller machine. Okay guys, so full form of ATM is automated teller machine. Okay, so in this way in banking system we should know something that is so much important for us. Okay, so here we should know how we can keep our money safe. How we can keep our money safe. Then the answer may be by bank and banking services, banking system, we can make our money safe. Also offer various money related services that help us live better lives. Suppose we want to live our lives better, then bank and banking system helps us. Let us improve our knowledge, and for to live our lives better, we should improve our knowledge about banking and learn more new terminology associated with it. Terminology. Okay, terminology about bank. We should know more about terminology related to banks. So banking services works in a better way, and in this way we can say that just now we were discussing about bank and banking system. Bank and banking system. Okay guys, so today we have discussed class 7th GK third chapter we have discussed. Okay, so your today's homework is learn about the differences bank and banking system. What do you know about bank and banking system, and learn few short form from this chapter. Learn chapter number 3rd, that is banking services. Banking services. Okay guys, so your today's homework, learn chapter number 3rd, that is banking services. Okay.